Quick look at the new dump truck. It's fully hardox lined. It's up for transfer. More videos will come. It's just a quick little teaser video, basically. Truck's gotta go get decals on it and all that fun stuff. Get down. Air tarps. It's got a whole 382 kilometers on it now. A little fancier than I'm used to, but it'll make money.
I wanted to go to one of the Seattle shows. The problem was, you and Tom were going.
Got a CD radio, which we don't use up here, but gotta get a VHF installed. Radio's not that great in here, but it works. But nice, clean truck. Everything's well laid out. But yeah, I'll definitely have to do a better video that looks at the truck in more detail, but like I said, it's just a little teaser video. So anyways, hope you guys enjoy this.